Title: The Genetic Experiment. A secret genetic experiment aimed at enhancing human abilities goes awry, resulting in a new breed of superhumans with uncontrollable powers. As society crumbles under their destructive influence, a group of ordinary individuals must find a way to neutralize the threat. Chapter 1: The Experiment Begins. In a hidden laboratory deep within the confines of a remote facility, a team of brilliant scientists embarked on a groundbreaking genetic experiment. Their goal was to unlock the hidden potential within the human DNA, to enhance human abilities beyond imagination. Little did they know that their ambitious endeavor would lead to catastrophic consequences. Dr. Evelyn Hartley, the lead scientist, had dedicated her life to this experiment. She believed that by manipulating certain genetic markers, she could awaken dormant abilities within the human genome. With the support of her team, she began injecting a select group of volunteers with a serum containing the modified DNA. Chapter 2: The Birth of Superhumans. As the days turned into weeks, the volunteers started exhibiting extraordinary abilities. Some developed superhuman strength, capable of lifting cars effortlessly. Others gained the power of telekinesis, able to move objects with their minds. The experiment was a resounding success, or so it seemed. However, as time went on, the volunteers' powers became increasingly difficult to control. Their emotions triggered uncontrollable outbursts, causing destruction and chaos wherever they went. Society began to crumble under their destructive influence, and fear spread like wildfire. Chapter 3: The Ordinary Heroes. Amidst the chaos, a group of ordinary individuals emerged. They were not blessed with superhuman abilities, but they possessed something far more valuable: determination and resilience. Led by Sarah Thompson, a former police officer, this group sought to neutralize the threat posed by the superhumans. Sarah knew that the key to stopping the destruction lay within the laboratory where the experiment had taken place. With a small team of trusted allies, she embarked on a dangerous mission to find Dr. Hartley and convince her to reverse the experiment's effects. Chapter 4: The Battle for Redemption. As Sarah and her team infiltrated the facility, they encountered superhumans who had lost control of their powers. The once peaceful laboratory had become a battleground, with debris flying and explosions echoing through the halls. Sarah's team fought valiantly, using their wits and resourcefulness to survive. Finally, they reached Dr. Hartley's lab, where they found her consumed by guilt and regret. She realized the magnitude of her mistake and agreed to help reverse the experiment. Together, they developed a serum that could suppress the superhumans' powers, allowing them to regain control. Chapter 5: A New Beginning. With the serum in hand, Sarah and her team set out to administer it to the superhumans. It was a daunting task, as many of them had become lost in their newfound abilities. But one by one, they were able to restore control and bring the superhumans back to their senses. As society slowly recovered from the devastation caused by the experiment, the superhumans, now with their powers under control, joined forces with Sarah and her team. Together, they vowed to use their abilities for the greater good, to protect and rebuild the world they had once endangered. Epilogue: A Lesson Learned. The genetic experiment had taught humanity a valuable lesson: that power without control is a dangerous thing. It reminded them of the importance of responsibility and the consequences of tampering with nature. The world had been forever changed, but through unity and understanding, a new era of harmony and progress began. In the end, the experiment that had gone awry became a catalyst for humanity's evolution. It was a reminder that even in the face of uncontrollable powers, ordinary individuals could rise above and find a way to restore balance. Thank you for watching our YouTube video. We hope you enjoyed it and found it entertaining. Before we wrap up, we would like to kindly ask you to support our channel by hitting the subscribe button. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on our latest content. Moreover, if you enjoy our creative plot ideas and would like to stay updated with new ideas for your next creation and exclusive content, we invite you to follow us on Instagram. In addition, we encourage you to visit our website, where you can find more information about our plot ideas. Your visit would mean the world to us.